In this video we're going to take a look at how to compose a text page. Text page is another resource that you can offer your students. It is similar to simply creating a Word document or something like that, except for composing a text page has the advantage of loading faster for your students. In other words, if you ask your students to go home for a homework assignment and download several Word documents, it can take them longer depending on what their connection speed is or things like that. If you use a text page, it's going to load up a lot faster for your students because it's web-based, therefore it'll be easier for them to access. The disadvantage to using the text page is that it doesn't format very well, so it only really works if you're using a simple set of instructions, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a moment. Let's go ahead and compose a text page. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Turn Editing On. When I do that, I can see right here it's going to allow me to add a resource, and I'm going to click Compose a Text Page. I'm going to name it. Let's just say we're doing an assignment on Asia. Go ahead and copy, paste that right there. Now as I scroll down, it's going to ask me just to put my full text in. And it is very simple, very plain. It just does take very basic text. So what I'm going to do, and the good thing is if I already have my instructions in sets of Word documents, I can simply open those documents up like I have here, copy, and then paste that information into the cell. Now as you can see, I have a very small amount of information here, but it's formatted okay, but it's not the same formatting that I had necessarily in the Word document, so you might have to clean it up a little bit. Once I do that, I'm going to scroll down to Save and Return to Course. And there are the instructions. And as you can see, all I have to do is click on this, and very quickly those instructions are going to come up. So that is how to compose a text page.